Okay, welcome back to this presentation. So we're trying to introduce real beginners to computer systems, computer environments, particularly through the Microsoft Windows operating system. But really, actually, these ideas cover most ideas expressed or displayed in other systems, from smartphones to Apple Macs to Linux machines, what have you. Because we're going to take a general approach which does not limit one understanding to one platform, in this particular case Windows XP or Vista or whatever. It is platform independent, if you like. Alright, on the last couple of occasions I've described these picture word combinations known as icons, and on the desktop I have chosen in this particular computer to show these ones. Again, which ones are on here are entirely up to the user. I, for instance, can remove this one by deleting it, and it's no longer there anymore. I can also bring it back again if I would like to use it. This space here is a completely free space for you as the user to choose, and to choose which icons you would like to see on this particular space. My topic for discussion, or to put to your notice, is one very strong theme that should display itself on all Windows type systems. And remember, our definition of windowing systems now has embraced almost anything, that from telephones to mobile phones, for instance, to whatever system you like, because they're very similar. One major theme which these systems display is the idea of feedback. You have never come across these icons before, perhaps, in your day-to-day life, and you want to understand something about it. So for instance, let's choose this one here. You will notice that the description is, let's put it in the middle here, is well, when it was in this position, even in this position, it's kind of short. Just a small word there. You see OpenOffice.org 3.2, but you might want to learn some more about it. So when you move your mouse on top, the system now displays some more information which you can read to assess what this thing does. And it says the Office Productivity Suite compatible to the open and standardized ODF document format supported by Oracle. And you might know what Office Productivity Suites are all about, and think to yourself, yes, this might do something for me. And you proceed to open it, like what I've just done. That's a fairly big program, so while it is opening, and there it is, so it's then displayed me some other types of things I might do. Text document, make a spreadsheet, make a presentation, make a drawing, and I'll proceed to choose the one I like. But let's close that because that was not the point of my discussion. Let's choose another one. For instance, here there's another icon. There's another icon here, which again does not describe what it does very well. A lot of the words are missing. So again, what you might do is put your mouse on top of it and get a description of what it does. And here is a major web. It says PDF to Excel converter. It tells you something about the location of it, and again, now you're able to assess whether that particular icon can do what you like the computer to do for you at this particular time. Let's go to another one. This is Internet Explorer, and again it says finds and displays information and websites on the internet. Now, the idea of feedback is very, very powerful in these systems. In fact, it's one of the reasons probably why they became popular. In that, and the reason, and also another reason why you can use this computer alone without the need of somebody like me to teach you. Because whatever you do, the computer seems to try to help you accomplish it. If you do something illegal or that the computer does not like, it will not allow you, and probably it might make a funny noise to you. The feedback also comes visually. When I'm on top of this thing, it changes color, okay, to say that I'm there, I'm ready to do whatever you want me to do on it. When I'm on buttons, for instance here, can you see the way the shade of this button changed? So there's always these visual clues where you are and what you're trying to do, and they're all guiding you as you use the system, allowing you to learn from the system by yourself. And that's critical, because Windows systems are allowing you to have the ability to learn and to acquire information on your own without interaction with another person or third party, like a teacher. I mean, teachers can be useful in the beginning, but then afterwards it is up to you to explore the system by yourself. Let's just look at the feedback idea a bit more closely. Let me open this application again, and let me choose to make a text document. Let's assume I'm writing a letter to my boss, and there we are, ready to write. So again, the computer is giving you feedback where it is. It's at this position, allowing me to, to write, dear Mr. so and so. I would like to, etc. Again, you've seen here the computer is giving me some idea. It's a light bulb telling me, oh, you might want to do something in this position. So let me click on here and see what it's trying to tell me. And it says autocorrect has been activated. Thank you very much for reminding me that's happened. Then when I try to access some of these commands, I see that some of them are available and some are not. For instance, this command here called cut or copy it doesn't seem to be there, but the one paste is there. So some of these commands need to be operated in relation to others. So for the copy and cut to work, I must select the word like, and then you'll see automatically the system has detected that I might now want to cut or copy it. So let's say if I wanted to copy it and I wanted to place it on another line, and then I could paste it there. So feedback is a method is really the system also informing you what you could possibly do given the situation you're in. Very powerful, and probably a reason why these systems have become so popular in modern times. Thank you. And that will end the presentation.